What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two small circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom and then up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height and then up. Now on the top left side of each eye, draw a small circle for highlight and just pull that in. Add a small circle along the bottom right for another highlight, and it will fill the inside center of the eyes in black. Let's move to the center and draw the top of the nose. We're going to curve this up and then down. From the sides, round this out and pull that in towards the middle point. From the center of the nose, curl the mouth, coming down and up toward the left and right side. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. Starting on the left, curve this down, pull this in just underneath the mouth, go across and then up towards the right. Now let's taper the head so it gets narrow across the top. Starting on the left side, then it's up and in towards the middle, round up the head, go across and then down. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to add a trim going around the mouth and then in towards the bottom. And then from the top of the nose, it's going to go up around the eyes and then down towards the side of the head. Now let's draw in the ears. Let's start on top left, bend this up and then out towards the side. Line it up on the right. Round up the ear, come down and just pull that up towards the side of the head. Now I want to trace the ears along the inside. From the inside of the ears, let's step up and draw in the antlers. We're going to start on the left. Draw a straight angled line going up and out on both sides. Now we're going to come down, round this out, and pull that in. Let's draw the center of the antler going up, round this out, and then come down. Now I want to take that same shape and flip it over on the inside. Coming in, around and then out. And then angle this down and in towards the head. Let's move all the way down in the center and draw the scarf. We're going to come straight down, flatten this off, and go straight up underneath the head. And then move out to the side, draw the bottom of the scarf coming down and in behind, continue up on the right. Let's add some stripes. We're going to add two going across the middle, add two coming down on the left, and one on the right. Now I want to round up the side of the body, starting from the scarf, come around and then in towards the front legs, come straight down towards the bottom, round at the bottom, and then pull that up towards the inside. Now I'm going to come straight up towards the top. In between the legs, let's add a curve for the body. Let's go down to the bottom, add another curve to separate the hoof. And we'll draw the hind legs from the side of the body, just going to angle this down and out on the left and right side, and curve that in towards the side of the front legs. Let's separate the hoof. Now over on the right side of the body, let's add the tail, going out and curl that up, and then bend that down in towards the side. Now we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.